Hello and welcome, dear students. I'm Sarah. Today, I'm here with you on Learning English Easily to make your English journey simpler and more enjoyable. If you're just beginning to learn English, don't worry. This podcast is made just for you. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Let's begin. Part 1. Believe in yourself. The first and most important step in learning English is to believe in yourself. You might think, I'll never speak fluently or it's too hard. But trust me, every great speaker you admire once started as a beginner, just like you. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for work, travel, making friends? Let that reason motivate you. And please don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and trying means you're learning. Be proud of every effort, big or small. Part 2. Take small steps. Learning English doesn't need to be fast or complicated. Start with just 5 new words each day. Use them in simple sentences like, my house is blue. I drink water every morning. My family is happy. Repeat these sentences out loud. It helps your memory and pronunciation. Also, listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning how English sounds. Try this. Make flashcards. One side has the English word, the other side has your native language. Review them during breaks or before sleeping. Part 3. Practice daily. Like learning an instrument or sport, English needs regular practice. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. You can. Write a diary entry. Today I went to the park. Talk to yourself in English. I am cooking dinner. Repeat lines from your favorite English shows or YouTube shorts. Think of learning like watering a plant. It won't grow overnight, but with care, it will thrive. Part 4. Make it fun. Learning should not feel boring. There are fun ways to improve. Play English word games. Use free apps like Duolingo. Watch cartoons or movies with English subtitles. Sing along to simple songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Also, link learning to your hobbies. Love cooking? Try English recipes, like sports. Watch commentary in English. It's all about making English a natural part of your life. Part 5. Speak without fear. Many students feel shy to speak English. That's okay. You're not alone. Start small. Practice common phrases like, how are you? Or, what time is it? Talk to a friend or teacher, record yourself, and listen back. Remember, fluency comes from speaking, not just listening or reading. Mistakes are your best teachers. Keep talking. You're doing better than you think. Part 6. Use technology to help you. Your phone can be your teacher. Use apps like Memrise, BBC Learning English, or Quizlet. Watch videos on YouTube from Learning English. Easily join online groups to chat with other learners. Change your phone's language to English. Yes, really. Set a reminder on your phone to study daily. Build a habit, and English will become a natural part of your day. Part 7. Learn from your environment. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, English is all around you. Look at signs, labels, or menus in English. Write your shopping list in English. Say simple sentences while doing chores. Example: I am washing clothes. Use what you have and make your environment your classroom. Part 8. Be patient and keep going. Fluency doesn't come in 1 week or even 1 month, but you'll get better every single day. Celebrate the small wins. Did you learn a new word today? Great. Did you speak 1 sentence? That's progress. Remember, language learning is a journey. Sometimes easy, sometimes hard, but always worth it. Part 9. Practice real-life English. Let's try some real-life practice. Imagine you're in a restaurant. What can you say? Hello, can I have a coffee, please? How much is it? Thank you. Now pretend you're asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the train station? Can you show me on the map? Practice saying these out loud. Try them in front of a mirror or with a friend. Quick recap. 1. Believe in yourself. 2. Start small. Learn 5 new words daily. 3. Practice every day, even just 10 minutes. 4. Have fun. Play, sing, watch videos. 5. Speak without fear. Make mistakes proudly. 6. Use tech tools to learn smarter. 7. Learn from your surroundings. 8. Be patient. It takes time, but you will succeed. 9. Use English in real-life situations. Today's challenge. Pick one of the 9 tips from today. Do it today. Just one small step. Then leave a comment or message on Learning English Easily to tell me which tip you tried. If this episode helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Learning English Easily. Like this video. Share it with friends learning English. Turn on the bell icon to stay updated. You're learning something powerful. Keep going. Every day brings you one step closer to confidence and fluency. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.